Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at more variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. In part 1, we looked at combining a kickball change with a push triple step variation. In this section though, we're going to try placing that same challenging variation in a different part of your Lindy Hop footwork. Let's start by recapping our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step with the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In the last video, we looked at combining our kickball change with a pushed triple step for the beats 5, 6, 7 and 8. This time, we're going to pop it in at the start of our 8-count footwork for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's take a look at it. To begin, we're going to kickball change starting on our right foot, kicking on the right for 1, 1 and 2. We end up with our weight over our left leg, but we don't want to commit our weight 100% to this foot because we're going to quickly use it to spring off and hit that and. Then we're going to replace our weight onto that left foot and then step onto the right to finish off our triple step and step. Let's put it together so you can see what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and a 4. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and a 4. You'll notice that your weight is over your right leg, which means that you're ready to then do your step, step, triple as a normal 8-count footwork pattern. Step, step, triple step. Let's put it all together. We'll do one basic and then try the variations out. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple. Kickball change and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're looking for more of a challenge, you could try putting both of these variations back to back in the same 8 counts to create a footwork drill that'll really help to get this tricky rhythm into your muscles.